Nobody teaches you this until it's already too late. At 5, you learned everything, except how money works.
What is this?
It's an apple! An apple tree! A PlayStation!
It's a grapefruit.
At 18, there are so many shiny things to worry about, so you say to yourself,
I'll figure money out later.
Bro, there's a house party tonight and girls are gonna be there!
age 25, payday comes in, and suddenly you can afford the life you've always
Babe,
wanted.
I want that one. It matches my shoes.
I'm sorry, babe. This is too expensive.
But you have a credit card. Just swipe it for me, baby. You can always pay it back.
Age 28, you finally get that senior promotion, you've earned it, you're making more money than ever, but still broke.
Yeah. Pop in, running like this, ain't checking my wrist.
I'm sorry, but your card declined.
Try this one.
Declined. Declined?
Just check all of them.
You may now kiss the bride.
What's that?
Oh, it's an investment app. I invest percentage of my money every month.
Yo, there's a party tonight. Girls are gonna be everywhere.
Oh. Never mind, you're married.
I'm out of here. Don't cry. Dada is here. You should get married too. I should really start investing. Man, this thing is too complex. Where do I even start?
Sweetheart, can you get the baby?
I'm coming. Ark, I'll do this later. Bills, and more bills. When does it ever end? There's this party. Oops. I'm borrowing that. I'm taking Aaliyah to Hawaii for a vacation. Who is Aaliyah?
One of the girls at your parties?
Nah, Aaliyah is the love of my life. I might propose in Hawaii.
I don't get it. How do you even propose this lifestyle? You're probably in a lot of credit card debt, but you just don't care.
Slow down, Tiger. First of all, I'm not in debt, and I have a good credit score. I understand how money works. Check this on YouTube and thank me later. Okay, I gotta go. Ciao, amigo. I got this.
Hi, Robert.
What is that?
I'm the narrator for NTYTBR.
Hello? Where is that coming from?
I'm going to help you out. You've watched too many Pokemon and Minecraft videos. You can't even sit through a 10 minutes educational content about finance. Watch those videos again, this time around with a paper and pen.
Is this YouTube channel judging me?
Welcome to my sanctuary. Hello, James. Hello, Robert.
No. Relax, dude, but whatever you do, do not touch these walls. Ew, gross. Narrator, can you tell Robert why it's been hard for him to escape his credit card debts?
Of course, James. Credit card debt is one of the most common financial traps, largely because of how interest compounds. Credit cards typically charge 20 to 30% plus annual interest. If you only pay the minimum each month, most of your payment goes to interest, barely touching the principal. It can take years to clear a balance this way.
So how can I escape? I have been in this mess for a long time.
The people who successfully clear credit card debt almost always combine a clear payoff method with a budget that prevents new debt from accumulating. The math is simple. The behavior change is the hard part. Let's start with the avalanche method. Imagine you have 3 credit cards. Card A, 28% interest. Card B, 20% interest. Card C, 10% interest. Step 1. Pay the minimum on all 3 every month. This is non-negotiable, so you don't get penalized. Step 2. Any money left over after that, all of it goes to Card A, the most expensive one, the 28% interest card. Step 3. Once Card A is fully paid off, take everything you were paying on it and add it to Card B's payment. Now Card B gets destroyed faster. Step 4. Repeat until Card C is gone.
Narrator, is there another method? You see, my friend here has a weak stomach and he gets bored easily.
Another strategy is called a debt snowball. It's the same idea, but you target the smallest balance first, regardless of rate. The quick wins keep you motivated. Studies show people actually stick to it better, even if it costs slightly more in interest.
You see, I have a family and lots of responsibilities. After I pay bills, there is little left.
Many people don't know this is possible. You can negotiate with the credit card company. You can call your card issuer and ask for a lower interest rate, especially if you have a good payment history. Pro tip for negotiating. If you call and the first representative says no, don't give up. Ask to speak with the retention department or a supervisor. The frontline agents often have limited scripts, while the retention team has more authority to make deals to keep you as a customer or keep you from defaulting.
Man, I never knew that.
I told you.
You'll thank me later. This thing is gold. If anyone objects to this marriage, speak now or forever hold your peace.
That's my boyfriend. No, he's mine. That's my man.
The problem isn't your income. It's in what you didn't learn early. Money is a skill, and time is the multiplier. The earlier you learn, the less you struggle later. Subscribe now and let's learn about finance together.